Data analysis, question number 1. The histogram box plot below shown below both display the distribution of the weight, or the birth weight, in grams of 200 babies. Thank you very much. Question number 1, the shape of the distribution. So the minute I think about shape, I'm thinking about positive skew, negative skew, or symmetrical. So the shape of the distribution of the baby's birth weight is best described as positively skewed with no outliers. Rubbish. There are absolutely outliers. So fingers crossed every one of you knows that those dots there mean there are outliers. So anything that says no outliers cannot be true, right? Because there are definitely outliers there. There's also one here. So that gives an answer between 2. Now, generally with multiple choice questions, you can discount 3 straight away, all right? Or should be able to, with your knowledge, discount 3. Then it comes down to the 2. Positively skewed with outliers or approximately symmetrical. Well, as far as I'm concerned, this box plot here seems to suggest that the median is somewhere in the middle. It's not too far to one side. You can also see here that it seems to be relatively symmetrical. So I'm not going to say positive skew, I'm going to say approximately symmetric with outliers. And believe it or not, that is the correct answer. And when I say that's the correct answer, I mean by VCAR. So I'm checking the answers here as